Hello student, today I will discuss about the about some math from exercise 16b. Exercise 16b I will do some of the math. So first one, how many parts does a triangle have? A triangle has three parts. A triangle has three parts. One side, two angles, and three vertices. You know it because A, B, C are vertices. A, B, C points. All points are vertices. And angle A, angle B, angle C. These are angles. Three angles are there. And side, right side in this way AB, BC, and CA. These are sides. Sides or arms. In this way you can written it. Now next math number 2. With the angle given below, in which case the construction angle is possible. So when sum is come 180 degree, when sum comes 180, then angle possible to draw. So 50 plus 70. So in second case you see that sum is come 50 plus 70, 50 degree plus 70 degree plus 60 degree. So come 180 degree. So this is the answer. Next math I will do for you. Number 3. The angles of a triangle is given. Angles ratio are given. Angles ratio of a triangle is given equal to 2:3:4. So since write in this way, since 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 9 come. So sum of all angles, you know, all angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So find out first angle equal to 180 into 2 by 9. So 9 cancel this one, gives 20. 22 is 40 degree. Second angle find out, equal to 180 into 3 by 9. So again cancel, 9 cancel, 180 gives 20, 23 is 60 degree. And third angle find out, third angle easily you can find out, equal to 180 into 180 degree into 4 by 9. So 9 cancel this one, gives 20. So 42 420 is 80. So which one is the largest angle? So therefore third angle is the largest angle. Third angle is the largest among all. So in this way you can give the answer. So this is very easy math. You can do it with your own. Very easy math. Next one, I will do the math for math number 4. So two angles of a triangle are complementary. Two angles of a triangle are complementary. So suppose this is a triangle, and if this is A and B and C, then A plus B is given 90 degree. So this is called complementary. Complementary means sum of two angles is 90. Two angle is given, find out the third angle. So A plus B plus C, you know, because this is very important property, sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So now find out, put in the place of AB 90 degree. 90 plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Now you have to find out C. C is unknown. So C equal to now 180 minus 90, because you change the side, so you change the sign. Therefore angle C equal to 90 degree come. So angle C wherever 90 come, therefore you can easily draw this one C 90, A this one B. Now next angle, next math, which is math number 5. One of the base angle of isosceles triangle is 70. So this is isosceles. I write ABC. So angle A equal to angle AB equal to angle AC. Here is given angle AB equal to angle AC, isosceles. And one of the base angle, that means you take this one maybe 70. So right angle B equal to 70 degree. So find out the vertical angle. Vertical means this angle you have to find out. So angle B equal to 7, so angle C equal to also 70 degree. Why? Since AB equal to AC, this is a isosceles triangle, this is a isosceles triangle, base angle always equal. Base angles always equal. So now angle C equal to 70. This one comes 70. So angle A equal to angle A. First you write angle A plus B plus C. How much? A plus B plus C come 180. Now angle B and C 70. So 70 plus 70 plus angle A equal to 180 degree. Now angle A plus 140 degree equal to 180 degree. They will find out angle A equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree equal to 40 degree. So right implies sign here also, therefore sign is given at last. You can get the value. So in this way you can find out the answer 40 degree. Next math, a triangle having side of different length. So different length side is no scalene triangle. Suppose this one 2, this one 3, this one 4 centimeter, right? So sides have unequal length. Sides having unequal length is called scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. So this is the math number 6. Now very important math comes now, math number 7. This is very important math. Now there is an isosceles triangle given, triangle ABC. The bisectoral angle B and C meet at a point O. If angle A equal to 40, then BOC, find out BOC. So I will draw first angle ABC. So I'll do it now. 7. This is triangle ABC. A, B, and this is C. Now bisector angle A, bisector angle B and C meet at O. So angle A equal to 40. Angle A is given 40. Angle A is given how much? 40. Then find out BOC. Find out BOC. So first you find out what is the property is given. Any property is given? Isosceles. Yes. ABC is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So from triangle ABC. So you can write B, angle B equal to angle C. Base angle equal. Base angle equal because side is equal. So this side equal to this side. Now angle B equal to angle C you have to find out. How? Equal to 180 minus 40 by 2 because sum of ABC is 180. So angle B equal to angle C and angle A is given 40. So 180 minus 40 by 2. So you can get 140 by 2 equal to 70 degree. So 70 degree equal to angle B plus C. So this one is 70. This one also 70. And now find out angle OBC. OBC equal to 70 by 2. Why? Because BO, since BO bisect angle ABC. So angle ABO equal to angle OBC equal to 70 by 2 equal to 35 degree. Now in the similar way you find out angle OCB. OCB equal to find out 70 by 2 equal to 35 degree. This one come 35 degree. So now find out from triangle BOC angle B plus angle O plus angle C come 180 degree. Because sum of all angles of a triangle, sum of all angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So now put the value B equal to 35. So 35 right. Angle C equal to also 35 plus angle O equal to 180. So 35 means 70. So add it 70 degree plus angle O equal to 180 degree. So find out angle O, that means angle BOC equal to 180 minus 70 by 2 equal to 110 by 2 equal to 55 degree. So this is the math, student. So very easy math, do it. So next math for you. Math number 8, the side length is given, perimeter is given. Side length given in the ratio form. So ratio of three sides equal to given 2:3:4. No, 3:2:5. So 3:2:5. So perimeter is given, perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is given equal to perimeter. What is given? Perimeter equal to 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeters. So perimeter, you know, if this is triangle A, B, C, these are side. So A plus B plus C, this is called perimeter. So 30 centimeters. This is given 30. So now change 3 plus 2 plus 5, find out 10. So first side equal to how much? 30 into 3 by 10. So 10 3 is 30, 3 3 is 9 centimeter come. Second side, value of second side you can easily find out. 30 into 2 by 10. So 10 3 is 30, 3 2 is 6 centimeter. And third side, therefore third side equal to 30 into 5 by 10. So 10 3 is 30, 3 5 is 15 meter. Now add all of them, you get 30. So in this way you can solve the math. Very easy math, student. Perimeter A plus B plus C equal to 30. So all are easy math. So I will not do for you. So do it. See, math is given as homework. Very, very easy math. Sum of all the angles of a triangle you can apply equal to 180. Thank you, student.